Okay, this is just a quick video to show you the interactivity of the Close Reading Companion. So I'm going to come over here to my resource library, and you can see all of my resources here, all searchable, but I'm going to go to the Close Reading Companion. I'm going to launch this particular piece. I'm going to let this load up. And I want to make this nice and big for us. And one of the things you'll see is I can choose my class. I've just got this one training class here. And then I can see my list of students. I have a bunch of demo accounts in this particular account, right? Okay, so this is from what I can see as a teacher, and I can go to any one of my students. But let me show you what the students would see, and then we'll come back to this, okay? Here I am in my student account, and I'm just going to go to my student resources. I'm going to choose that Close Reading Companion and let this load up. All right, and of course I could go to my table of contents. I'll just go to the first page here, talking about the princess and the pizza. And again, all I have to do is click into a box. I can type here. I might say, I will write something, just so you get the gist. And if I turn the page, same thing. Here is my words. Let me do that better. Here are my words. And again, type here. And again, the students would be able to respond. They also have an opportunity to sort of synthesize, having a your turn opportunity here. There's an icon. This is another interactive feature where they're really having to synthesize the whole story and cite text evidence. So here I write my response to the story using text evidence. So what's really nice is through the Close Reading Companion, I have talk, cite, write a little bit, talk, cite, write a little bit more, and it's all leading to this sort of your turn opportunity and even giving some helpful sentence frames there. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to go back to my teacher view, right? So here's my 4th grade teacher view. I'm going to launch that Close Reading Companion again. Let's let that load up. And I'm going to, of course, go back to that rereading of The Princess and the Pizza, right? But I've got to choose my students. So remember, I was in a little demo student number 1, so I'm going to choose that. And when I do, you can see what appears are the words that I typed. If I go to the next page, we're going to see my responses, seeing things that I wrote, and again, coming over here to their binder. Now, what's interesting about this is you're saying, well, I can't read what they wrote. Well, all of the things that are here, as you see, are saved to my binder. So let me just show you something really quick. So if I come up to the top, you see a link that says my binder, and I can go to my student's work, and I can choose that demo student, letter A, and I want to see their responses to writing, resources, all of their items. And of course, there's their Close Reading Companion page, and I can actually see what he or she wrote right here. What's nice about this is this kind of puts all of their resources, audio recordings, worksheets, all of their work in one place. So that, my friends, is just a quick demo of how the interactivity of the Close Reading Companion and even the binder works to see real-time student work.